Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining me. My name is Dylan Kippen, Product Advisor here at North London Toyota. And today we're going to be checking out one of our vehicles that is available for immediate delivery. This is a 2026 Toyota BZ. This is an XLE all-wheel drive model. Some of the biggest changes with the BZ for 2026. Huge interior update. You're going to have two wireless chargers, massive touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Full leather heated steering wheel. This one is going to have a fabric interior. Lots of space in the front and in the back seats as well. This vehicle has a lot of similarities to something like the RAV4. With the 2026 BZ, especially in the XLE model, all-wheel drive, you are going to get a much larger range as well. This vehicle has over 400 kilometers of fully EV range. Now with the North American charging standard as well, it's going to make it a whole lot easier to charge at the majority of your local charging stations. Lots of trunk space here, full tonneau cover. You do get your level 1 and level 2 charger included with the vehicle as well. If this vehicle interests you, please stop on by at North London Toyota. Again, my name is Dylan Kippen, Product Advisor here. You can contact us at 519-451-3880 or visit our website at northlondontoyota.com. Thank you for joining me.